Let me create this 3D model with the help of NX software. So first of all, click on the new document, click on the model item, select the name and OK. Now I have to first create this view and we have to revolve it. So I have to create one rectangle 15 by 5.5. So select the sketch and select the plane and OK. Now from the command manager I have to create the rectangle from the origin 15 tab 5.5, enter. I have to apply dimension from the rapid dimension from this point to horizontal this point. Double click and apply the 15 dimension. I have to create another rectangle 2 by 2.5. Okay, so click on the rectangle command, 2 tab 2.5, enter and click. Okay, now I have to revolve this sketch environment, so I have to finish this sketch, zoom it and apply the revolve command. So for the revolve I have to select the vector as this line and OK. Now I have to create this hexagonal shape on this face. So select the sketch, select the face and OK. Okay, from the more option you can find the polygon option, number of side, select the origin and create 4 value, close. I have to cut it within the 5 mm cut. So apply the extrude value -5 and subtract option. Okay, this portion is ready. Now I have to create one fillet. Edge blend, apply the value 3 and select the edge and OK. Hide this sketch and this sketch for the better view, and we can also hide the datum coordinate. Now on this face I have to create the another polygon. Select this face and OK. Polygon with 2 value. Close, and I have to extrude this value up to 20. So finish this sketch, extrude and 20 and use the unite option. Okay, now I have to create another sketch. From the more option you can find the projected curve. Click this curve and this curve. Okay. Circle, radius of this circle is 5, so diameter should be 2. Distance is 6. Rapid dimension, create the vertical dimension from this point to this point is 6. Finish this sketch. and use the Revolve option. Okay, select the vector direction from this datum coordinate or y-axis. Use the subtract option, and here your model is ready. Remove this coordinate and sketch. Okay, this is your object ready.